Hi guys, let's take a look at this question where we have ball P of mass 0.16 kg that is moving to the east at a speed of 10 meters per second, and it collides head-on with this other ball Q at a mass of 0.2 kg that is moving to the west, so left, at a speed of 15 meters per second. And then after they have collided, ball P moves west at a speed of 15 meters per second. And that is shown in the little diagram below. 4.1, they want us to define the term momentum. So momentum is the product of mass and velocity. All right. 4.2.1, calculate the velocity of ball Q after the collision. All right. So 4.2.1, which formula do we use? We're going to use our momentum formula, which is the product of the mass and the velocity, and that's of both balls. So that's mass of ball P, velocity of ball P initial, and this is going to be mass of ball P, velocity of ball P final, plus the Q. All right, so we have everything. We have the masses and we have the velocity of everything but the velocity of Q. So we're just going to jot all of that in here. 0.16 is the mass of ball P. The initial velocity of ball P is 10. Remember, you can decide whether you want east as positive or west as positive. I'm taking east as positive and I'm taking west as negative. Just tell your examiner that at the beginning so they know where your negatives and positives come from. So we're taking east as positive. That's why velocity there is positive. Then the mass of ball Q is 0.2 and the velocity is 15 meters per second to the left, west. So I'm taking negative 15. Then the mass is the same, 16, but the final velocity is 5 meters west, so it's negative 5. Mass remains the same and velocity is unknown. Then you do your multiplication, you do your addition, and you take V over, and you get your final velocity of Q to be negative 3 meters per second, and you just write a final answer of 3 meters per second to the west. Okay. Then 4.2.2, calculate the magnitude of the impulse on ball P during the collision. All right, so we know that our impulse is this formula, and we know that our formula P, we can calculate the impulse easy. We don't have the time, right? But we do have our mass and our final and initial velocity. So we will use this one. So can just write this formula, and they want of P. So P's mass is 0.16. Its final velocity is minus 5 because we took west as negative, and its initial velocity is positive 10. You jot that in your calculator and you get negative 2.4, which you can just make positive 2.4 Newton per second. And that is your final answer. All right, guys. See ya.